was your finance yaba never say yaba tension or can abong what was what na hodi what be oni fee na hwe de ekoso de ba de dika ne hwe ne ti no yentimi emfama wo sane yese na efatene na enkoma yebeji no me meka say so no what say akono pa na boysa o ma brete se me de I think say be he kakro masum because de ba no nyehu ne mu ho akakra was obiti obeka say na sa de atwam masa sankofa nchi o and na se obeda ho so no the best what I say na nyina ne se nim se buronya ba me no kasa yibo so me kura enu sa na ewura December ba ya na manfo hyase o koma kura we say ya and ye gina kodu what I say na ura be 14 15 fuko no na woni ba kra 7 na say kura ho no dentia like something signifies oh Christmas na ba no obokura kese mu nso a the same thing obeti pap bi ye ready wa ha na all night so banners ne bi e say bibia kire se bronya ba na bronya ba eba nyina there is one thing also in the team so and nije koso sure and nije koso pa eno ko ekura ultimate kotoko ne has esro ne form aso January for new games edo nwumere nso a yehia pap we yewura bebre enije be what but then ade ba ko ne say me remfi say coronavirus COVID-19 okobrane a obaye chese obia wa ha obia ko be 2 years ni won ko you COVID-19 is real e wo ba na na bebre na e bompai ti COVID-19 any Christmas ya fi ye ko ni say ye be se dem ni ye di ana ye forget ya ne kura say e ya tiatia mikro bi nsida e ye kuro mu tanya bi e ye kuro we mu ye de nka ho bebre na perception na wo mukuta eno no asofo no so ka yambo ho ba ne mompa ye kakra sa na echechire sa but I say it's hanging as a kwase nkoi enche ye na vaccine e ba ye so ye nkwo mpane ye ene ewo bia na za katwom you are free what am I say it's better than say what was memgina ma wo me de I am protected with my cancer but still there should be the adherence to the COVID-19 protocols. Entebedi bronya obi e bompa ye so mo bompa ni be now so fellow Ghanaians bibiri na bompa ye se mane be now so say fellow Ghanaians biu ebi so ka e na doctor fo ma mmegbo ehu se bronya we de ya wi ata so habo amarani fo ba kura kese bibiri na benne waswafo no e de be de chire e de ma tourism arts and culture no nyamfo okreku mante yes deputy Minister for Tourism, Arts and Culture, Mark Krekumanti. Wakasa president say na suye ya na say ni area no ni ministry no omone hwe ensra hwe omone hwe sa ne mani nyina omone da no because amanone for ba Nigeria for be gum ebusafo so ba intebeye togetherness ni party bebre omone hwe omase nene wo kire mu say ona ni baje say ko bia from December to January no ko bia ni baje a happy moment ne mpai bono no but once I want to bata ko Jeremiah na Isaiah 59 was nine so that make an say etibati o hono say COVID-19 is real for that matter no o best say all the protocols no for nsa mani medu ha wonsantem ni nyina ye beye teniyo ye be ni nyina nsa na wo ba bi wura sanitizer beye djuma pa eno so na ituo bi aba thermometer gun we djuma mo so sa na ya check temperature ni nyina be koso but ade ba ko ne say ye ka se Ghana fo ko pan ye sa vaccine no bebre sabe o mabo mi fitaduku wonte bebre nko ye bi ene deputy minister ono ene hwe ana woda tourism art and culture onyam for Mark Okrekumante kiremu say sakobasa woko event bi ase party bi ase ya boshia ya gie no pese okobi nko ade a go with your card enya Ghana card o enya insurance o enya voters ni mo vaccination card kire say panani wa wobi oh yes what am I gonna say prevention they say is better than cure. Enti man kasa ma wokeke no ko ginem dabi wose aduro nie ekuru nie enti wo ba no ahoro nsa o mask ebo kama no ne nyina achi no prove to us so this is my card and sign wo wudum ne nyina ko obi a artist ya abrompa be perform even me I mean yamanfo be hwem no I have to prove to them some my work pan no nteno de waka no vaccination card no entry so organizers I beg you restrictions with the woman adwuma onunyafo ne serepa he asofo ahodo convention ahodo koso nyina no yen try say you betime di samra ne so and in short no part say wo wura mu no na ukuta card sa ticket what your ticket every 20 Ghana ukura sa event center ho make sure that after all the protocols no winim da no wo san so kuta vaccination card uche no ko nyesa ade abra no showing no entry onunyafo de betudwa no say attention ye bo honum what's American as so we like page now we share ko YouTube subscribe na every notification be anu say betima ka bi na what try wa adwen de kire ye wo be say asem netima yi wa no enti yankohwe video no sane we see kan some no fire sane be ya yankoba say ya bo isrim ne ye kan attention itumira na ya kire sie ba isia
you require mask. Mask will be removed for special activities like eating, drinking. But we should try as much as possible to reduce numbers at places, not to go and overcrowd a place. 2 meter social distancing will be adhered to. Contactless ticketing is encouraged as much as possible. You see, our digital is beginning to show here. Dr. Bawumia, Vice President. QR codes for ticketing will also be encouraged. QR code for brochures will be encouraged. Staff who work for your events must also go through the same type of screening. You wash, make sure they also have their vaccination card to show, just like when you enter a sporting event in Europe or any other country will do, or a restaurant.
Arabu so for so ankasa utie na wo hweye we wani nwa beba ye boss ba ko bi wa ben pa Andy Dusty Hit FM no mudi sankita hodi na yakwa ese nyina o media ni munti no o so pass yen ensaka bi ye ne mo che enti yan nyina ye fa asemu ye fa tukutu dum se ne be ya fi bronya no ye bedi adi ne enko wie no waka asem bi wo se won pese bi bronya wie no na de yare ene eba and I think say is real enti me share more attention pia subscribe ne nyina me abusua ba ko medino na mensa abrompa berema yaw from na mens na me no check coin say we chire ho me boss bo for kron me care teacher dem ma woni me producer ba ko pe na Jessica fa ene mu nyina na mi so no nyam kase sama je be no matima hwe video